Hello, can you hear me, guys? Hello, guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes or no? Hey, hi, guys. 1 second. Once again, guys. Yeah. So, myself is Srinivas. I have almost 10 years of experience. Okay. I'm currently working. So, what we are seeing here is completely a real time. Okay. So, before we start, can anyone tell me what is testing? Can anyone tell me what is testing, guys? Do you have any idea, like what is testing means? What? Anyone? Is testing is required? Can anyone? What is testing means? What is your opinion on testing? Testing means what? Can anyone? Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you one thing. Uh, the communication is very important. So communication means what? You need to speak, because in IT companies they will check your communications. Communications is very important. Whether it is right or wrong, you need to answer. Yeah, someone is said that to verify the product. Yes, correct. Good. Yeah, to verify the product, right? In what way we need to verify the product? That all we need to learn in testing. Yes, correct. So whatever the product will comes in, not only a product, any application or anything. Okay. So testing is very important. Now people are talking about data science. If you learn the data science, your package is 34 lakhs or 54 lakhs. Okay. But whatever it may be, even that the data science also, whatever you are making the models, or whatever you are creating AI, artificial intelligence, whatever you are creating the things, right, that need to be tested. So as a software career, if you learn testing means, in future you can easily test your own application. No need to depend on any other person, and you can test your own application. Okay. If you go with any organizations, if you go with any organizations without testing, they will not launch the product in the market. People are saying there is no testing jobs, there is no automation jobs. No, I'm not agree with that one. We have a lot of plenty of jobs will be there. Value labs, you heard that word? Value labs. So value labs is completely a testing company. Okay. Signity is a completely a testing company. Okay. People are saying chat gpt will do everything. No, it won't do anything. Even chat gpt also you need to do some testing. Okay. So testing is one of the most important and major part in software systems. Okay. So before we start the testing, so before, you need to know what is software. What is meaning of software, guys? Anyone? What is meaning of software? Software means what? Anyone? You know, right? What is software? The software means is nothing but it takes the input from the user, and it will do some process, and finally it will give what? Output. As a tester, what you need to do? You need to validate that application. So what process it doing and what kind of output it is giving, you need to check. Okay. Guys, can you please confirm? Are you able to see my screen? The slide presentation? No, right? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me yes or no? Are you able to see my screen? This is the problem. Communication is
Yes,
very,
able to see your screen.
yeah, thank you, because that is very important. Communication. Yeah. So what is software? You can go with any application. Okay, what we are doing, before that we need to understand what is software. A software is nothing but it's a collection of programs where it will takes input from the user, and what software it will do, the software will do some process and finally it will give the output. As a tester, what I need to do here? What is your role? What is your responsibilities? Can anyone tell me what is your role here? You need to test this application whether it is working according to what client requirement or not. That is nothing but testing. Most of the people says that what is testing means, most of the people they say that what is testing means, simply they say that the testing is nothing but to find the defects. No, finding the defects can find anyone, right? Even developer will find the defects, and the end users will find the defects. So testing means not only finding the defects. So what reason we are doing the testing? For what purpose we are doing the testing? Can anyone? For what purpose we are doing the testing? Without testing also I can launch the product in the market, right? But what will happen after without testing? If I launch the product in the market, what will happen? If the product is not working well, then no one will use that product, right? That application, right? That software, right? So testing is mandatory. What is called mandatory? What is called mandatory, guys? Mandatory means what? Compulsory. Understanding, right? Must and should. You need to test your application. Go with any application, network application you need to test, mobile application we need to test. Now people are talking about Power BI. Okay, Microsoft 360. Okay, the people are talking about database. The people are talking about any technology, cloud technology. People are talking about AWS, Azure Cloud, or GCP. What are the technologies will come in the market? We need to be test. That is what the importance of testing. Understanding, right? If you are in good in banking application, you can go with the testing for banking application. If you are good in financial applications, you can go with the testing for financial applications. If you are in good in networking side, you can go with the networking side testing. See, there are a lot of ways, there are a lot of options you have. If you learn one coding subject, you need to go with that part only. But as a tester, only the domain knowledge is required. What is called domain? What is called domain, guys? What is called domain? Domain means what? Which domain you are working now? So the based on your domain, say banking domain. Banking is what? One domain.
Area of
Financial.
knowledge.
Yes, absolutely correct. Yes. So which domain you are working? So I'm good in financial applications. So that is tax applications. I'm good in SAP application. Now see, people are looking for more testing for a SAP. If you are in good in SAP, you can go with the SAP testing. If you are in good in Azure, you can go with Azure testing. Like, see, testing is the same, but we have a lot of scope will be there. You can choose. Suppose you are in good in security, you can go with the security testing. As a developer, if you learn only Python, you need to choose only a Python project. But as a tester, it's not like that. If you have a good skills in testing, you can choose any project. Any project you can test. Okay, that is the importance of testing. Without testing, any project will not be launched in the market. Okay, what is difference between automation testing and manual testing? Anyone? What is the differences between manual testing means what and automation testing means what?
Manual will do manually, and
Ah,
automation will do scripting.
yes, absolutely correct. That's good. Really appreciate. Yes, manual testing means what? This question will ask you in interview means if you sit silent, they will reject you. See, what she said is absolutely correct. Manual testing means what? See, I'm only entering all the things. I'm entering the URL. So when I'm entering the URL, right, the page is loaded and that application is open. This kind of testing we can call it as what? Manual testing. What about automation testing? If I say automation testing means everyone says Selenium. No, don't say Selenium. There are a lot of automation testing will be there. Automation testing means what? We are writing some script. Okay, when you execute the script, right, automatically that Amazon site will be launched, automatically it will run, and automatically it will show. Understanding, right? That is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. See, this is what manual testing. What I'm doing is manual testing. Suppose if I want to do some automation here, so what I can do, I can use some tools. I can use some tools, just creating the project, and project name is what, automation. Okay, now click OK. Okay, now I'm passing the URL of that, which one I want to do the automation part. Just copy that URL. Okay, I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, which tool it is and everything we will discuss. Just pass that URL, and there is a record button will be there. Just click the record. See, I'm not enter this one, automatically it is enter. Now I'm clicking today deals. Okay, now after that I'm clicking customer service. After that I'm clicking what, registry. Okay, now I'm closing my script. I'm giving the test case 10001. I'm clicking OK. See, when I'm doing the automation, right, it will give what, some script. Suppose if I want to run this one simply, manual means what? Again, I'm opening the browser, I'm entering the URL. This process we can call it as manual. But automation process means what? We are writing some script. We are just run the script. See, I'm not doing anything. See, automatically the page is launched. Automatically it will click the today deals. Somewhere it is fail over mouse text. Again, you can run that. See, today deals. Again you can record this one. See, here it is showing this one, what is passed and what is failed. So these kind of testing we can call it as what, automation testing. So you need have some clear idea about what is manual testing and what is automation testing. That is very very important. Okay, is it clear, guys? Anybody have any questions so far? Okay, so for what purpose we are doing the testing? Anyone? For what purpose we are doing the testing, guys? Just now I told you, right? Any tested developed application, any application, you can take any application, whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. Okay, for what purpose we are doing the testing? For not for your purpose, not for organization purpose. We are testing the application for client requirements. Client requirements, whether it is the application meets the client requirements or not, whether the application is working properly or not, that we are doing. Okay, any tested developed application, any developed application, whether it is working according to the client requirements or not. So first of all, you need to understand the requirements. If you not understand the requirements, you cannot test your application. What is the challenging thing in the testing is understanding the requirement. Most of the people, they think that testing means finding the defect. No, first of all, what is this Amazon application? What is the purpose of this Amazon application? How we can add that account? How we can sign up? How we can add the card? How the gift cards will applicable? So this is what you need to understand the requirements. Then only you need to test this application. Understanding, right? Here this box is showing 4 images only. If it is showing 5 images means that is a bug. In requirement, very clearly they say that the in the front page the 4 pictures should be defined. Okay, the 4 pictures should be there. If it is showing 5 pictures, then it is the bug. Okay, because how you are saying it is a bug? Based on your requirements. Okay, based on your requirements. Why we are doing the testing? The main important thing is what? Why we are doing the testing? Ensuring the quality. Applications is not like see, it's not like 1 or 2 rupees, it's a crores of money, right? Any product, any application, what customer requires, the customer requires the quality product. Okay, if I give, the phone is not working, if I give that phone to you, whether you will use that phone? No, right? Because the calling is not going, even calling is going also, the speaker is not working. Did you use that phone? No, right? What is required for you? You want a quality product. Okay, if you give the free of cost, and if I'm giving a free of sim but network is not there, okay, the that call is not going and it is getting lot of disturbance, and the call is the network is poor network, then if I give the free of cost also, the people will not ready to take that one, because the quality is what, too poor. Understanding, right? The people are looking for what? Quality. Ensuring means what? Make sure quality, whatever you are testing that application, right? That should be what? A quality product. If you are not do proper testing, if you are not test properly, then definitely will get lot of failures. Testing is mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. If you suppose you design one model, or you design one robotic, or you design some anything, that should be also need to be tested, right? You are thinking it is working, but other people need to know, right, whether it is really working or not. So before you launch any product or anything in the market, testing is required. Without testing, if you launch the product in the market, definitely it will fail you. Okay, 100% it will be fail you. Okay, so that's the reason every organization, TCS, the testing team will be there. Tata consultancy, there are a lot of testing team will be there. Any product Tata is introduce any new project, the testing team is required. Okay, so make sure that objective of testing means the ensuring the quality, ensuring the correctness means it should work always, ensuring the robustness, it should also work critical functionality, ensuring the reliability. What is called reliability? Anyone know what is the meaning of reliability? What is called reliability? User friendly. Make sure that your application should always what? User friendly. Now if you are logging into Amazon application, the Amazon application is asking please provide your credit card, please provide your debit card, then only you can log in, means no one will log in this site, because I'm giving my complete information to this site, right? So user friendly, whatever the application you are testing, that application should always what? User friendly. What is called user friendly? User friendly means what? Anyone can access your application. Okay, it should not restrict, provide your debit card, provide your credit card, it's not like that. Okay, it should be user friendly. Okay, so that's the reason e-commerce site, if you go with any e-commerce site, if you don't know the sign in, okay, you are not login also, you can access the thing. Whenever you buy any product, and once you add to the card, then it will ask you the payment details. Before payment details, it will ask you to sign up, because the tracking and all the things will be there, until unless you can access this site. This is what user friendly. If I initially I restricted you, means like I'm not giving access to this application, means then no one will use, right? So make sure that your application is what? Reliability means user friendly or not, you need to test. These are on what? Objectives of testing. So this is very very important. And make sure the product is what? Bug free before the shipment and release. Now interview question: can we do 100% of testing? Is it possible? Yes or no? Can we do 100% of testing? Yes or no, guys? Can we do? Can we do 100% of testing? Is it possible?
No.
No, right? Yes, absolutely correct. No, no one. Yes, maybe no. It's no only. Okay, because no one cannot. Even if you are using Microsoft product, also you will get a bug. Even if I'm using AWS also, like Amazon products also, I will get a bugs. Okay, So in this world, no one cannot say that it's 100% it will work. Okay. So in real time, I'm talking about real time. Okay. So how they will launch the product in the market? So the Amazon application will not launch one day, right? It will take lot of time to build the application, and they will launch that application. They will get lot of time, right? It's not like a one day process. Okay. So slowly see, this is your application. First they will go for development. First it is design phase. Once the design phase is approval will got, once the design phase is done, then they will start development. Once the development phase is done, then they will go with the testing phase. Okay. Once the development is done with one phase, okay, now it will come to the testing phase, QA. Once the testing phase is done, then they will go with the production. This is what production live data. So this is the process. Okay, they will go by one. Okay, it's not like design is done, we will not release. Okay. So once the product is confirmed, QA need to give the confirmation. That is what the importance of QA. QA need to give the confirmation that this application is working as expected. Once you give the confirmation, right, then only this build will go to in the live. If QA says that, if QA says that it is not working, okay, this is not working, suppose they say that it is not working, then what they will say, if it is not working means, then they will not launch the product in the market. Okay, 1 second guys. Hello, can you hear me guys? So for what reason we are doing the testing? Can anyone? So what purpose we are doing the testing?
Quality purpose.
Yes, absolutely, quality. So how you define the quality? Good. How you define the quality?
It should work as intended.
Yes, correct. What else you want? Correct, right? So how you can say this is working as expected? Okay, so suppose you are saying that how you say this is working as expected. So they will provide some requirements. Okay, they will provide what? Some requirements. Okay. So if all the requirements fulfilled, suppose the requirement one, they will give the requirement one. Okay, requirement two and requirement three and requirement 4. Okay, how can you say it is the quality product? Requirement 1 is pass, requirement 2 is pass, means it is working as expected. Requirement 3 is also pass, okay, it is working as expected. And requirement 4 is also pass. So what you can say that definitely 100% it is a quality product, no doubt at all. So because we cover the requirement one, I'm not get any issues. Requirement two, we got the issues and we reported to the developer. Developer fix again. We test that, and finally we'll. So justification of what? All the requirements. If you justification of all the requirements, then we can say that it's a quality product. See, see, this is what testing is done to assure. Assure means what? Make sure, make sure it's a quality product. It's not like a bugs. People are thinking testing means finding the bugs. No, in real time they will not bother about the bugs. They will always bother about what? Quality. Quality is very very important here. For your job also, definitely you will get a job. What is your requirements for your job? Testing should be completed, manual and automation. And what is the next requirement? Prepare interviews. Not only prepare interviews, okay. Next requirement is what? Attend the attend the jobs. This is what your requirement. If you fulfill all the requirements, definitely you will also get a job. First, check out your requirements. First, find out your requirements. What is your requirements before you? So if you fulfill all these requirements, okay, definitely you will get a job, no doubt at all. So in testing, first of all, you need to go with the requirements. If you fulfill all the requirements, okay, if you fulfill means what? A requirement should completely work. Requirement should, if you are fail any one of the requirement, you will not get the quality product. I'm already learn testing, I'm already learn automation, but I'm not preparing interviews. Means I'm not preparing any resumes. If I'm already preparing the resumes and I completed manual and automation courses, but I'm not attending the job, then how you will get the job? So first of all, you need to fulfill your requirements, not only attending the classes, not only completing of the classes. First, you need to attend the jobs. Okay. Once you complete your course, what you need to do? Attend the jobs. Like you need to attend number of interviews. Okay. Reject, reject, reject. Finally, one day you will be, definitely you will be selected because you got some experience. The previous interviews, what kind of questions they ask, all the questions you can prepare, and again you are re-given the interview, then definitely you will be selected. Okay. So for the same thing, the product is also will be like that only. I- Once the release is done, the customers will use that product. In case the customer will find any issues, what they will do, they will raise the ticket, and the support team will take care of the ticket, and we will fix that issue, and we will resolve that issue, and we are giving the patch or fix, or we can give in for the next release. Understanding, right? So like that we are giving the product to the customers. It's not like one day product, okay. Just we already tested, you will not get any single bug, we will not say like that, okay. So this is one of the most important. The testing is done to assure means make sure the quality. How you define the quality? How you define the quality? The quality is defined the justification of what? All the requirements of the customers in a application. Don't worry, they will give you requirements, very very easy. They will provide all the requirements. See, I will show you how the requirements will be there. If you go with banking application or insurance application, FRS document. What is called FRS? Anyone know what is FRS? FRS means what? Functional requirement specification document. Okay. See how they will provide the requirements. No need to worry. Login page. This is what? Login page. In this login page, what will be there? User ID will be there, password will be there. So how I need to test this one? So they will simply say that for user ID, what we need to enter. See, they simply say that valid CEO user ID, admin user ID, admin password. Click on what? Login button. So when you log in with CEO is nothing but admin. If you log in with admin user ID, admin password, what page should come? Admin home page should come. Suppose admin home page is not getting, then what we need to say here? Suppose you are logged in with admin, but you are not seeing the admin home page. You are seeing the different page. Then what you will say? What you will say, guys?
Bug.
Bug. How you are saying the bug? Actual result. What is your actual result? What is your actual result? Admin home page. What you are expecting? Admin home page. But when you are logged in with admin user ID, admin password, you are not seeing this one. Okay, you are getting some different page, 505. So what is bug? Actual result is not equal to, actual result is not equal to expected result. That is called bug. See, these definitions you need to tell in interview. People are saying bug. What is bug? The bug is nothing but actual result is not equal to expected result. What you are expecting? What is your expecting result? Admin homepage. What is actual result? Admin homepage. If actual result and expected result both are the same, then your test case is what? Pass or failed? Your test case is pass.
Yes.
Yeah, so that confidence you should come. Yes, understanding, right? Yeah, there are both are reliability and user friendly, or the different terms or the same. User friendly means what? Suppose if I give any icon in this application, see what is this icon? Do you know what is this icon? I don't know, right? You know, I don't know. So just if you put the cursor here, what it is showing? Such labs. What is this dot 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 dot? Do you know what is this dot 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 dot? Even I don't know. But if you put the cursor here, what it is showing? Google Apps. This we can call it as what? Reliability, user friendly. If I give an unknown icon, that unknown icon, you know, as a developer, as a tester, you know what is this icon. But as an end user, I don't know. So what I need to do, you need to give some tool tips. See, this is what. Hey, if I put the cursor here, right, it is automatically shows that it's a Google app. If I put the cursor here, right, it will show that such labs. Understanding, right? I don't know what is this. Now, if you put the cursor here, right, it is showing what? Search by image. If I put this cursor here, this is what user friendly. So interview they will ask you, can you tell me what kind of user friendly testing you done? So you need to give that examples. In my application, there are a lot of icons will be there. We will provide that icons tooltip. Tooltip means we are giving some hint of the icon. Okay, but one of the most important, what is bug? The bug is nothing but you said, right, actual result is not equal to expected result. I want to launch Amazon page, but Amazon should be open, but Amazon page is not getting, I'm getting 505 or 404. Okay, some I'm getting a different error. Then what you can say, that actual result is not equal to expected result. What I'm expecting, that is not getting. So we can simply say that that is the bug, that is the defect. Okay, clear, guys? Anybody have any questions so far? Good.
This is the first class for demo.
Yeah, it's not demo, it's a regular session only.
Okay,
Uh, uh,
today it
yeah,
started or before?
yeah. No. Today only we started. Okay. So actually, our plan is what? Like 30 days. Like in manual, we need to be completed all the things like basic and advanced, and one project we will do in a live application we will do. And Jira also we learn how to write the test cases, how to add the test scenarios, everything we'll see in the live. And agile methodology is one of the most important. Agile means what? How you get the task and how to attend your stories, how to pick your work. So that is all will comes in agile methodology, how will goes to the release and everything. Once the manual part is done, then we will start for automation. So it's hardly 25 classes for manual, and once the manual is done, then we'll go with the automation part. But
So
manual, yeah, go ahead.
the project, Jira test case, everything
Ah,
25 classes.
yes. It will be completed within 25 classes. It's not like a fixing number. If
No,
you
no,
are, if
at
you are,
least 1 month with project,
ah,
everything, na?
yes. It will take time. Actually, 30 days time will be there. But why I'm telling this, if I tell the project, right, if you are interested and you are doing the exercises, then it will increase the time. If you are not taking that one, right, if you're only taking as a class, then it will be finished within a short period of the time. But maximum it will take 25 to 30 days. Again, because Jira is very important, and the application what we are learning, that application is very important. And in Jira, how to write the test cases, how to identify the test scenarios, that is very important. And moreover, agile methodology is very important.
Sir,
What
one
is
question.
agile? Yeah, go ahead.
In the testing need more programming knowledge is required.
That that's see, if you want to, we cannot continue with entire life as a manual, right? So you are starting your career as a manual tester. After that, you switch to automation tester. After that, you are switched to as a DevOps. After that, you switch to into API. Like if you want to go within a career path, like then definitely in long. Not, currently, if you want to go with a manual tester, coding knowledge is not at all required. If you don't know any coding, also you can go with experience. Also you can go, not a problem. But coming days, like coming years, now you as a tester, you started your career for just now, and 1 2 years you started automation. When you started automation, CoreJava is required, not all the things, not advanced Java is not required, CoreJava is required. So once the you learn the CoreJava, right now people are looking for Python, so you need to start learning the Python. Okay, after that they will ask you to go with any other technologies, then you need to start. But initial stage not required any programming knowledge. Got it right?
Okay, sir. In the Selenium, you teach any Java like.
Selenium will have 30 days of class completely. It's a practically will go. So here I will tell you the basic part of in where we can use what is the purpose of Java and where we will use that we will tell you. But we cannot teach CoreJava here because most of the people here say that we will tell you CoreJava and Java Selenium. Then what they will do? People generally 15 days CoreJava, 15 days automation, 30 days is done, right? So you cannot get more knowledge in there. It won't work out. So if you want to go with parallel, you need to learn CoreJava. Definitely you need to learn because most of the interview questions they will ask you Java related. So CoreJava is what 1 month of time. And automation, what you are learning here with the practically with real time, right? 1 month you are learning automation, right? Now you are in good in manual, you are in good in CoreJava, and you are good in automation. Definitely within 3 months you will crack the interview. Not 3 months. In my previous experience in previous batch, within 2 months only they crack the interview. It depends on you, the way you take it as an interest. Understanding, right? So
Yeah,
people
yeah.
are saying that we will cover 15 days CoreJava is not enough. That you cannot crack the interview. CoreJava you need to practice. You need to join that course. Definitely you need to join. Or else you want to go with the self study, you can go with the self study because most of the interviews they will ask you Java related questions. Okay, got
Sir,
it right?
sir, sir, somebody
Uh,
told they are expecting Selenium and other tools. You have knowledge, you can see your resume shortlisted. Otherwise,
no, no,
unable
it's
to
not like.
shortlist.
No, no, don't listen anybody. So someone is there. They have their options. Okay, if you have a good knowledge, see, you cannot compare with me, and I cannot compare with you. You have different skills, and I have a different skills.
Yes,
So
sir.
we cannot compare, right? You are in good in Python, okay, or you are in good in coding. You are in good in to identify the tissues, okay. So we cannot compare with like that, okay. Forget about someone. Just try from your end. What you have, you put all your skills, put into your resume and apply it and attend the interviews. Okay, because you cannot compare with others.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
because maybe he has some other skills. Okay, so don't listen all the things. Some people are saying that there are no openings in manual. No, I'm not agree. If you after the class, if you
Yes, yes,
search
sir.
the Google, right, there are a lot of openings will be there. Now TCS having a 3 years of experience, interview drive will be there only for testing. Value Lab, Signity, there are a lot of companies will be there for especially for testing.
Sir, your training is sufficient to crack the interview, sir.
Definitely, but I want communication. Like see, like you now you are speaking, right? That the same way you need to speak in interview also, because the first question of your interview is what? Tell me about yourself and tell me about your roles and
Yes, yes, sir.
responsibilities. So you are learning, but you are not speaking means then it's the problem, right? So people are checking only your communication skills. Communication skills means not only English. Just you need to answer and you need to respond. Respond means what? If I say hi means you need to say hello. If I say hi means if you are sitting silent means then it is a negative, right? There is not a good communication. Okay. So if you prepare everything and go for interviews, definitely you will crack the interview, no doubt at all. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it right.
And
Yeah,
got it.
build the confidence. Now, just now I ask you what is a bug. People are reading bug is nothing but a bug. But what is bug? You need to explain that actual result is not equal to expected result. If you say like that, then other people knows that oh you have some real time experience. Oh, that is correct. Actual result. What is bug or what is the defect? I'm looking actual result, but I'm not getting expected result. So actual result is not equal to expected result. Then I can say it's a bug. How can you say it's a bug? Then if you are in good in that area, then you can say that yes, as per the requirement, it is not working. So that's the reason I raised the bug. That is what your confidence. If if someone asks, hey, why it is bug? Why you reported that? Then if you sit silent means then there is nothing, right? You need to define that one. Yes, it is the defect because I verify the requirement. As per the requirement, it is not working. Then other people, oh, oh, is it? Oh, thanks for reporting the bug. This is what the communication. Now you say that it is bug or not. No, no, it is not bug. It is bug or not? Yeah, it is a bug. So you are in confused mode. You are not able to tell that whether it is bug or not because you don't know what whether it is bug or not. So when you will know whether it is bug, if you test properly, if you check the requirement as per the requirements, it is not working properly, then you will get a confidence. Your voice will be changed. Your voice will get in high pitch. Yes, it is a bug. How you are telling it's a bug? Yes, I verify the requirements as per the requirements. It's not working. Then you will get oh thank you for reporting the bug. The development team will say that yes, thank you for reporting the defect. Understanding, right? The way of communication, why I'm telling all the thing, communication is very very important. Okay, people are fearing about developers. Oh, he knows very no, don't think that. We have both equal rights. Developer will give the respect to the tester will give the respect to the developer. If you find too many bugs, right, developer will come and ask you, hey, can you please tell me how many bugs you find? That is what your respect. Don't think that he knows coding, he will do something that this that. You don't think like that. Developer also fear with the testing team because if you find you are giving a challenging to them, yeah, it is not working, it is not working, it is not working, then the developer definitely fear with you. Hey, when this guy is testing, right, make sure that it is working properly or not. Okay, okay, good. Yeah, go Ravi, you have some questions.
Yes,
You
sir.
raise your hand. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Uh, so I am focusing more towards the automation testing. So my
Yeah.
question was that whether you are going to taught us the framework and
Ah,
give us a real world project also
yes.
and kit also, and whether after completing that I will be able to cope up with a 2 year experience or not.
Sure, sure. Definitely we can go that. See here we will focus on test ng. After the test ng we are going with the page objective model. Once the page objective model is done, then we will go with the Maven project. Once the Maven is done, then we will go with the Jenkins setup. Like real time how you will execute the jobs. Okay. Generally in real time you will have that what you are written the script, right? The script we need to execute it with the Jenkins. Okay, so generally you need to run the jobs. So how we need to set up the Jenkins, and once you're done with all the things, right, we will push this code to where into the GitHub. So how we need to push that entire the code to the GitHub, that's all we can learn. And coming to the real time project or a frameworks, okay, every
Mhm.
organization they have their own frameworks will be there. So forget about the framework, not required to. So in case an interview they will ask you what framework you are using. So you can say that currently we are using the TestNG, or you can say the page objective model, or you can say that Maven. Okay, but you should have a good solid knowledge on these three things. And Jenkins part, once you written the script, right, once you written the script, what you written the script, that written script should be need to created as a jobs. Okay, how we can create the jobs, that we will see in the Jenkins part. So overall, if you have all this experience, then you can go easily more than 2 years of experience. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
there are a
And
lot of
what about
yeah, there are a lot of frameworks will be there, but every organization they have their own frameworks. Okay, but what you need to say, I'm good in TestNG, I'm good in Maven, I'm good in page objective model. Okay, that you
okay?
need to say that. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
What about Cucumber?
Cucumber we are not teaching here, because the Cucumber again, it's again almost it's a 20 classes, or it's make be a 15 to 20 classes. That is just completely a separate one. Okay, that we need to see. If you want, I can give the reference material for that, but it's not to be part of this automation. Okay, that is the separate one. Okay, if you want to learn Cucumber, again the Cucumber we need to create a runner file. Okay, that step definition files, that is completely different. Okay,
Okay.
we are not covered on this part. Okay, because
Got it.
most of the people 1 day 2 days, that knowledge will not be enough. If you learn also, that's not based. So whatever you're learning, that should be learned in a proper way.
Right.
If you want to crack the interview, you should have a lot of confidence on that. If you say that I don't know Cucumber also, they will take you, because you know good in other areas. Okay, but if you are not in good in other areas, and Cucumber also you are not in that area, right? Then anyhow, I'm telling very clearly, whatever you
Mhm.
are learning here, that not be in real time. In any course, you can go with any course, that not be in real time. But whatever you are learning, right, that knowledge can help you to implement it in a real time things. Okay, so you are learning here, right? Whatever you are
Mhm.
learning, that all will definitely 100% will help you to move on in the real time. Because people are saying that we are explaining the real time project. Who will give you a real time project? I
Right.
cannot explain my real time project right here. That's not possible. Even I cannot show my project to anyone else. But what I have the experience we gain all these years, and what we face the problems, what we see the situations, what kind of interview questions, how we need to attend the interview questions, everything will tell you. So based on that, you will also gain some knowledge. Based on that, you can perform your interview, and also your knowledge. It's your knowledge will only comes with you only, not me. Okay, even I teach you also, it won't come, because until unless you did the practice. Understanding, right? So
Yes, understand.
that's the reason I'm asking everyone to. So without knowing of knowledge also, you can go and interview, not a problem. But communication is important. They will ask you first question. What is your first question? Can you introduce yourself? Most of the people are live here itself. The first question is what? Can you introduce yourself? And what is your roles and responsibilities? Can you tell me what is your roles and what is your responsibilities? Most of the people drop here itself. They know automation well, they know manual well, but they are unable to cross this first question. So you need to prepare that. Myself is Karthik. I'm done my BTech on here, and after that I got an opportunity to work an internship, the on organization. And now I'm working as a QA analyst, and my coming to my roles and responsibilities are identify the test scenarios and writing the test cases and executing the test cases. While executing the test cases, if I found any defect, I will report it to the development team. Once the development team is accepted that, then I will start. Once the development is fixed, then again I will retest that, and once I retest and give the confirmation whether it is working properly or not. Once the testing is done, I will mark as my testing is done. So what I'm doing, I'm telling, so the other person knows that, oh, you are a real-time employee. But if we are reading myself, this that, if you talk like that, then definitely they will not hire you. Understanding, right? So the
Right.
communication is very, very important, and real-time terminology is very, very important. And what we are discussing here, that everything will explain you. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Sir, I am from mechanical background
Yeah,
actually. I
yeah.
previously worked in mechanical related
Hmm.
jobs.
Hmm.
this is suitable or not testing
No,
this tool.
see, I'm telling you can, if you are you that your soul will tell you whether you want your, see, most of the IT companies employees or civil engineers or mechanical engineers only, most of them. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
you, if you want to switch your career, see, you want to good salary or you want to good career, means parallelly you can start both ways. You can search with mechanical jobs as well, and parallelly you start this one, but don't leave the previous job, continue with that job, and parallelly you can put some time for software side. Once you are in good in everything is done, you get some confidence, yes, I can move easily, then you can move that. Okay,
Okay,
because
okay, sir. Okay,
because that is very very important. Okay,
okay,
you are thinking with others, other guy is getting 25 lakhs. If you think like that, you cannot work there. Okay, first you can go with the things, everything is good, and once you get a confidence on that, then you can switch. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good.
So actually, I asked that question because currently I'm working in a
Hmm.
company as a
Hmm.
manual tester for two
Okay.
years. So
Okay, good.
my focus is more
Hmm.
focused towards the automation. I wanted,
Hmm.
means in my current company or a job change to move forward as an automation tester. Because as you said that if
Hmm.
you will be working more than 2 years, 3 years, you will
Hmm.
get stuck in manual
Hmm.
testing. We should
Hmm.
move over.
Yes,
So that's
absolutely.
why.
Yeah, I got it. So that is what I'm telling now. You have a lot of see, this is you have a lot of chance will be there. Like what we can say that in your organization you are working as a manual tester, right? So don't tell that
Well,
I'm learning automation and all the things. Whenever you get a time, these all are open sources only. You can download Eclipse and you can try your application as automation with your own. So one day, if you got a confidence, yes, I can automate our application with an automation tools, then you can give the presentation to your teammates and your team. Then, then definitely you got an opportunity right now. You can prove yourself now. You can parallelly you can test your application with automation. You can only create that all everything, and you can prove that one. So you have a lot of time, right? You cannot work continuously 9 hours there, right? So at least you will get some time. Whenever you get a time, just implement your real-time application as an automation application. Got it, right? What I'm trying
yeah,
to say?
yeah. Yes,
Mm.
yes, yes.
Yeah,
I got it.
whatever.
That's
Uh,
why
mm.
said that means whether after completing this course I will able to cope up with
Yeah,
the 2 year
definitely,
experience or not.
definitely, definitely. That is what only comes on practice. That is what I mean to say.
Got it. Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Anything else, guys? Anybody?
Sir, I have experience in retail banking.
Hmm.
I'm working in retail banking. So, will this testing course will be helpful for me to switch my
Definitely,
career?
definitely. You know the domain knowledge of retail, right? You know well, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's you can say that I the last few years I work as a tester as for the domain of retail. You can tell that one. That's it. You have the domain knowledge. Mainly, the people are looking for domain knowledge. You have good knowledge in retail, everything you know, right? So after the completion of the course, you can change your resume as a retail tester. Like you know what you mention your domain name, and you can say that I'm last 2 years or 3 years I'm working as a this domain. Definitely you will helpful. No need to take other projects, and you need not prepare all the things. Whatever the knowledge you have, you just convert it as into the testing side. Don't say that I'm working as a retail manager, that retail side, and don't tell that all the things. I'm working as a QA analyst. That's it. Can you
Okay, sir.
can you explain the domain means, you know, right? Retail, how it's the works. So what is the process of retail? You just explain all the things. In that application, I find the defects. I will report it to the developer. You can say like that. Understanding, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. You can convert easily that. Okay.
So, can you please tell what topics will be covered
Hmm.
briefly?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. In testing part, See, that is what I told you, right? In testing part, we will cover what is the basics, okay? What is testing? What is the testing types, okay? What are the testing types? Black box, white box, and gray box. After that, testing techniques. What is the techniques we use? Static and dynamic, and what is SDLC process, okay? And after that, we learn what are the fundamentals of testing. This is very, very important. What are the fundamentals of testing? Unit testing. What is unit testing? What is integration testing? And what is system testing, acceptance testing, functional and non-functional. All your interview questions will comes on functional and non-functional. If you know this all the things, you can go for interview tomorrow, not today, tomorrow only you can go for interview. What is smoke testing, what is sanity testing, what is exploratory testing, what is hard op testing, what is retesting, what is regression testing. If you know these definitions, if you know what is exactly this one, you can go for interviews. Okay. Okay, this is very, very important. Why I'm saying it's very, very important, because in real time we'll do
Sir,
all the things.
here cover ETL testing also.
No, ETL is completely a different. That will comes on database testing. Again, that is 30 days class. Okay,
Okay.
that's where
Okay.
we need to make the setup and all the things. That is what I'm telling, right? Once you know what is completely manual, then you can search ETL testing, or then you can search to any other platforms. Now,
Okay.
cloud testing. Now,
Okay.
I told you, right, security testing. So first base is what testing. So if you know this is, see, in ETL testing also smoke testing is required. In ETL testing also sanity testing is required. In ETL testing also exploratory testing is required. So this is the base. If you know this all the base, the rest of the things are easy. Okay. So functional and non-functional we will cover, and after that, one of the most important thing is what are the methodology we need to follow if the project will come. So what SDLC models we need to follow, like say waterfall model, incremental model, prototype, spiral, and RAD and V model. We are following what agile methodology. This is one of the most important one. Interview question. So in agile, if you know agile, then half of the part is done. See, agile is very, very important. How you will get the task, what is stand-up call, okay, what is retrospectrum meeting. So these all are very, very important. What is sprint, how you will go for the release. So you need to understand all the things. Who is the product owner, and what is the team will do, what is the scrum master, what is the daily scrum meetings, what is the sprint review, so what is sprint retrospective. So if you know all the things, then definitely they will ask you in interview, can you tell me what is your release process, or can you explain what how your day activities. So you need to explain all these things. Okay, so once it is done, then we'll go with the projects. We have the three projects. One is banking application, and one is retail application, one is insurance application, and one is banking application, and one is we are going with what, the real time application. That is what the stock inventory management, that will see the real time. Okay, real time means what, you can access that application, you can add all the details. So that is completely from testing part. Okay, and Jira also will see that completely. So based on this experience, you can go with more than 5 years of experience, not two, three. Okay, more than 5 years of experience.
Are you going to teach only manual testing or any other
No,
testing?
we'll teach like manual automation, Selenium, and API also will be there. Not in this, there is a separate one, APIs, API testing, and you know, right, what is this, that we will give the support also. Okay, that is not cover here. Only here is what we'll teach manual and automation. There is a separate API testing is also will be there.
Any interview, it will be chance if we are in other domain and we move to testing, but as a fresher, they will consider.
Yeah, they will consider definitely. You need to
Because
explain.
I don't want to do any 1 year, 2 year experience.
Uh, you can tell that. See, nowadays they will ask you directly, are you want remote work, or you want work from office, or work or you want to come to the office. So there are, see, the option is they will provide you. You need to choose. If your profile is selected and if you are in good in that area, you can work as you like. That no need to
Actually,
go for experience. You can go as a fresher level also.
I am looking for remote job like
Huh.
remote manual testing.
Mhm.
Uh, less CTC is also fine, and I wanted to start my career. I was in other domain
Hmm.
from past 4 years.
Hmm.
Now I will do manual testing, and it is work from home. I'm looking.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. You can first you attend the classes. Once you understand everything, then you need to prepare the resume. In Naukri, there is an option remote, so you need to select that remote. Like lot of companies nowadays, they will give you a remote only. Okay, that flexibility will be there.
But I
So
don't have experience in manual testing.
that is what not a problem. As a fresher also, they will give you. But what I'm trying to say is you need to search that such kind of organizations. Just you need to put your resume and you need to apply, or and then you will get such kind of organizations. Okay. First you need to try, right. Without try we cannot assume that you will definitely will get. First you need to prepare and you need to prepare the resume and put the job location is what for a remote. Understanding right what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Got
yes,
it right?
yes.
So because most of the people what they will do, they will not proceed and they will think, if I do like this what will happen, if I do like this what will happen. If you think like that we cannot move, right. So what we can do is first you need to take a step, whether it is success or failure, that is secondary one. First move on. First try from your end. You want to restart your career. Yes, just start with that. If you have any opportunity or your colleagues or friends says that there is an opportunity in the testing that should be a remote position, then you can apply, right. At that moment you cannot start again, start testing and all the things, right. If you learn all the things before you are ready already, then you if anyone help you on that area, definitely you can get into that. Got it right what I'm trying to say? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mm, yeah, good. So don't worry. See, whether the job will come or not, that is question for everyone. I'm not saying that if you learn this course, you will get a job means everyone will be joining manual testing on. It's purely depends on your and your interest. My friend is getting job, I will also get the job means there is no answer for that. Understanding right? My friend is getting 24 lakhs. Do I will get the same salary? No. Might be your friend have a lot of skills. Now you know one of the fresher in Telangana, PayPal is joined as an internship. Now she is getting 34 lakhs per annum. Fresher, 3 months internship. PayPal organization. PayPal is offer that lady that person 34 lakhs. If you work 10 to 20 years of experience, then you will get that salary. But as a fresher, she joined as an internship in PayPal and she is getting 34 lakhs. Will get that the same salary? No. Understanding right? That is what the people are interested and what they are in the way. That is very very important. Okay, so do not compare with anyone. Just start. Okay, and take the step. Let's see what will happen. Okay.
What is the average salary, sir? Testing.
Sorry.
What is the
It's
average salary?
now 8 lakhs for a fresher. 8 lakhs. It depends on the organization. You know, like level one company, level two, level three, level four, level five. If you
Okay.
get an opportunity level five, right, minimum it's an 8 to 9 lakhs package. If you are joined as a level one company, it's a very small company, then it's a 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. Three
Okay.
lakhs to 4 lakhs.
Okay.
If, again it is a completely or talented. If you are good talented, you see, forget about the salary. Once you join into the organization, right, if you prove yourself, right, you are more demand person. You are a dependent person. Suppose you want to leave that organization will ask you how much salary you want, because you are a more dependent person. You can demand, not organ you can demand, I want 12 lakhs, I want 13 lakhs. Then organization will definitely will give you. Okay, but you need to have that much of skills. Okay, not only manual, you need to learn Linux, you need to know what SQL database, you know to know other languages, then you can demand how much salary you want. Okay. Okay, forget about all the things. First you need to attend the things and interview and crack the interview and attend the organization. Once you get into organization will tell you all the things. Don't worry about that. Don't think too much also. Okay, is it clear, guys? Anybody have any questions? We are out of the topic. So once the manual tomorrow, what we can do is see, it is not demo. Okay, I don't want to tell like this is a demo and telling in the notepad, and it's not like that. Tomorrow we'll see what is positive testing and what is negative testing, and once the time permits, we'll see what is the testing types, what is the black box testing and white box testing. That is also we'll see that tomorrow if time permits. Otherwise, we'll see what is positive testing and what is negative testing. We'll see that. Okay. Anything else, guys? Is the last call? Anybody have any questions? Every day you will get a material as well as you will get the notes. Okay. Anybody have anything? The last call? Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. We'll see you then tomorrow. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
Thank you, sir.